Alright, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Akimola speaking. I'm going to be walking you through the step-by-step overview of trademark registration. Now, trademark registration is very crucial and it helps you protect your brand. So it's important that you have an understanding of the general overview of the registration process. So the first process is the name search. So before you carry out trademark registration, it's important that a search is done. What's the essence of this search? The essence of this search is to be able to, allow you know if there's an already existing competition, of that particular trade name that you want to start using. In fact, that means before you even commence, marketing of that particular brand you are creating, you must carry out a trade name search. That search will allow you to know that, oh, this name is not available, this other name is available, and then you can make a wise decision and you will not go ahead. I've seen so many people, you are creating a product and you have carried out branding, you have logo, you have cartons, you have customized the office, everything carrying the brand name, but trademark registration has not been done. At the end of the day, you now wanted to carry out trademark registration after watching this particular video, and you now found out that that trade name is not available, and there's nothing you can do because trademark will not go ahead and give you a name that someone is already using. So the first thing you need to do is to carry out that name search. That name search is very crucial. Once the name search has been done, the next stage is to carry out the filing. The filing process is as crucial as the search. The filing process involves you making payment for that particular registration, and the filing process, in one of my videos, I've done a video walkthrough on how to carry out the process. So when you're carrying out the filing, you fill the details correctly, make the necessary payment, and then you'll be able to get access to download the acknowledgement letter from the IPO portal. Once that has been done, the next stage will be the acceptance. The acceptance takes a while, and that is where we come in. We come in as, so we have a community basically where we have students that we have trained on how to carry out trademark registration, and we help them follow up their registration to the point of acceptance. Now, if you are not in a community or you don't have someone who can help you follow up the trademark, that's where you might end up having issues. And the fact that you might not even have necessary documentation to properly and effectively carry out that trademark registration. The next stage will be the publication stage. The trademark that you have carried out after you have gotten an acceptance letter from the IPO, they will carry out a publication on the Gazette. Now, what the publication does is to notify the public that there is a new trade name in town, and if there's any issue with that trade name within the period of up to a year, then if there's no complaint, then they will go ahead and issue you a certificate, and the certificate is then the last stage of the trademark registration. I believe you have gotten it, so let me reiterate. The first stage is the name search, the second stage is the filing, the third one is the acceptance, the fourth one is the publication, while the last stage is certificate stage. So once you have been able to walk through all this stage, that means you have your trademark certificate. If you are wondering how can you actually carry out your trademark registration, we offer that service. All you need to do is, there will be a link in the description. Click on the link in the description, reach out to us, ask us questions that you might be having, and then we will answer you, let you know what the cost of the trademark registration will be and how we can be of help. Right? I believe you have been educated with this video. So if there's anyone there who is interested in learning how to carry out trademark registration, that's not a problem. We have a course that we have created called the Trademark Toolkit, and this course is going to avail you all necessary information to be able to professionally carry out trademark registration. Right? The link will also be in the description. Click on it, join the community, and start carrying out trademark registration. I hope this video has actually helped you. If it has, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with someone who needs to see this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and peace out.